All right, here we go. Number 27. This one's kind of a tough one. Let's go ahead and read it out loud together. What is the pH of a 0.133 molar aqueous solution of NH3 given that the Ka of NH4 plus is 5.68 times 10 to the negative 10? So I went ahead and I wrote out the equation at the top here. We're going to go ahead and say that we have an aqueous solution. So we're going to go ahead and put it in water. And we said that we were from an NH3 to an NH4. They told me that because they gave me the Ka of my NH4. If they gave me the Ka of my NH4, that means this is my acid, this is my base. And they gave me my concentration of my base. So if I want to find out the pH of stuff based on my concentration of this, I can't have my base talk to a Ka. So I need my base to talk to a Kb. So let's go ahead and solve for our Kb right away. Remember our Ka times Kb equals Kw. We said Kw is 1 times 10 to the negative 14. So if I know my Ka, I can solve for my Kb. Let's do that. Kb equals 1 times 10 to the negative 14 over 5.68 times 10 to the negative 10. I'm going to get a Kb value of 1.76 times 10 to the negative 5th. Now, this is not a strong base. We got to use a different formula. Remember before we had the POH equals negative log over OH? We can't say that. This isn't the OH concentration. This is the OH concentration. This is the weak base. Okay, we can't use this. This is the strong base formula. We got to use the weak base formula. We're gonna find out our concentration of the OH based on Kb times the base. This is my base. So let's go ahead and put that all in here. This is gonna go my base. So I'm gonna have square root 1.76 times 10 to the negative 5th is my Kb times 0.133. If I do that, I should get 1.53 times 10 to the negative 3 molar. Now, this is my OH concentration. I can go ahead and say POH equals negative log of this. So if I go ahead and do that, I can say my POH equals 2.81, and we said that pH plus POH equals 14. So my pH equals 14 minus 2.81, so my pH should be around 11.18. So that's how you do it. They're going to give you the concentration of the base and give you a Ka. You can't have your base talk to a Ka, find your Kb. This is not my strong base. I have to use my alternative method to get my OH concentration. I go ahead and say my Kb times my base concentration will be my OH concentration. I can go ahead and say my POH will be negative log of that. My POH it will be 2.81. Then I can go ahead and solve for my pH using my little quick formula here. This is how you do number 27.